Yeah, Kat, if someone wasn't sure, why is it important for a state like Wisconsin to have a poet laureate?
I, well, there's so many reasons. And I was actually thinking about it on the way here. Like, what is it about poetry that has a laureate? There's not a fiction laureate. There's not a, clog dancing laureate. I mean,
Let's talk clog dancing laureates.
Let's start a commission.
yeah. Well, I've often made jokes that like poetry in the grand scheme of the arts is pretty low on the totem pole, I think, of arts that really connect the whole world.
Sure.
And I've often joked we're right there, just under opera, but above clog dancing. That's my joke. No offense to anybody who likes to clog dance.
That's fair.
So the fact that we have this position is pretty special. But I think it's because of our very succinct use of words and our ability to really share what's happening in the world at the time via words. And there's so much emotion and power that comes in what comes out of the pen. And especially you think of times like this, how important it is that people feel that they can be heard. I think I've often said, as I'm promoting the arts, that you think about poetry, it's so important to us in the really important moments of our life. You have a baby shower, a wedding, a funeral. You want a poem to really encapsulate that moment. And I believe if poetry is so important in those moments, just think of what it can do for everyday life.